So unfortunately, I bet Jay, my trainer, that if the Packers lost, I would do 100 jump squats, and he was, if there wasn't this epic collapse, supposed to do 100 jump squats, and Amanda dumb enough to join me in this mess. So here we go. Unfortunately, we have to do these. So, ready?
Where are you going? Oh, okay.
I'm just losing my balance. Are you counting?
Oh, this is going to be great.
She's not going as high. Is that okay?
It's alright.
I know. That's what I was thinking.
She's playing it smart.
Alright. There you go. 100.
Good job. Good job.